Welcome to our deep dive on detecting and mitigating model drift fast. Today, we'll equip you with essential skills to identify signs of drift, use tools for early detection, and implement strategies to ensure your AI systems remain accurate and reliable.
Did you know that 60% of AI models experience significant drift within their first year of deployment? Welcome to our channel, where today, we're tackling the pressing issue of model drift. In the next 15 minutes, we'll equip you with the skills needed to detect model drift quickly and mitigate its effects to maintain the accuracy and reliability of your AI systems. Let's dive in and explore how you can ensure your models perform at their best. Model drift is a phenomenon where the performance of a model degrades over time. This can be due to a variety of reasons, primarily categorized into concept drift and data drift. Concept drift happens when the statistical properties of the target variable, which the model is trying to predict, change over time. Data drift, on the other hand, occurs when the input data that the model uses changes. Imagine a model trained on customer data from one demographic, but over time, the customer base shifts. If the model isn't updated, its predictions will become less accurate. Understanding these shifts is crucial for maintaining model accuracy and ensuring that your AI systems continue to deliver reliable results.
Detecting model drift early is key to minimizing its impact. Common signs include a noticeable decrease in model accuracy, unexpected prediction outcomes, and changes in the data distribution that the model hasn't been trained on. Additionally, you might observe an increase in error rates over time. These indicators suggest that the model is no longer aligned with the current data environment. Regularly monitoring these metrics and setting benchmarks can help you spot drift early and take corrective action before it affects business outcomes.
To effectively detect model drift, leveraging data monitoring tools is essential. Tools like TensorFlow Data Validation, Amazon SageMaker, and Azure ML offer robust features for monitoring your data's quality and identifying changes that could lead to drift. These tools allow you to automate the drift detection process, making it easier to integrate into your existing workflows. Whether you choose open-source solutions or commercial products, the key is to ensure continuous data monitoring and establish alerts for significant changes, enabling you to react promptly to any drift. Automated alerts play a crucial role in identifying model drift promptly. By setting up alerts that trigger when performance metrics fall below predefined thresholds, you ensure that your team is notified immediately. Integrating these alerts with communication tools like Slack or email ensures a quick response, allowing for timely interventions. Customizing alerts to fit the specific needs of your model ensures that you are focusing on the most critical metrics, enhancing the efficiency of your drift management strategy.
Mitigating model drift involves several practical steps. One of the most effective methods is retraining your models with updated data to reflect current patterns. Adaptive learning techniques can also be employed to allow models to adjust dynamically as new data comes in. Establishing feedback loops ensures continuous improvement of the model, while regular validation of predictions helps maintain its accuracy. Developing a robust strategy for responding to drift ensures that your team is prepared to act quickly and effectively, minimizing the impact on your business operations.
Exploring real-world case studies can provide valuable insights into successful drift management. For instance, a leading e-commerce company used dynamic retraining models to adapt to changing customer behavior during seasonal sales, maintaining high prediction accuracy. Another case involves a financial institution that implemented an alert system for drift detection, significantly reducing the time to respond to drift events. These examples highlight strategic approaches and innovative solutions that have proven effective in managing model drift. By learning from industry leaders, you can adopt best practices and tailor them to suit your specific needs, ensuring your models remain robust and reliable. Integrating drift detection into your C/CD pipeline is a strategic move to ensure continuous monitoring and rapid response. By embedding drift detection in your workflows, you can automate testing processes and ensure that your models are continuously validated against current data. This integration allows for the rapid deployment of updates, maintaining high-performance standards and minimizing downtime. Streamlining these processes not only enhances operational efficiency but also ensures that your models are always aligned with the latest data trends. Understanding the impact of model drift on business outcomes is essential for aligning your drift management strategies with overall business goals. Drift can significantly affect decision-making processes and lead to financial losses if models provide inaccurate predictions. By quantifying these impacts, you can better understand the importance of maintaining model accuracy. Aligning drift management with business objectives ensures that your models continue to support strategic initiatives and deliver value. Using specific metrics to measure the impact of drift on model performance helps you make informed decisions about when and how to intervene.
In conclusion, detecting and mitigating model drift is crucial for maintaining the accuracy and reliability of your AI systems. By employing the tools and strategies we've discussed, you can detect drift early and respond promptly, ensuring that your models remain robust and aligned with your business goals. Remember to implement regular retraining and validation, integrate drift detection into your C/CD pipeline, and stay informed through ongoing education. If you found this video helpful, please comment below, share it with your network, and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next.